The forest wakes up slowly in the early morning. Dr. Wolf starts his walk through the forest, ready to help his friends. Soon, Dr. Wolf hears water flowing nearby. The sound is soft and relaxing. He follows the sound of the stream. By the water, little Elephant is playing happily. He moves his trunk and splashes the water. Drops fly everywhere in the sunlight. Elephant is having fun. He wants to make bubbles in the water. He leans closer and blows into the stream. He blows and blows again, but oh no, the water splashes too much. Water goes into his eyes and all around him. Elephant blinks and shakes his head. Dr. Wolf watches quietly from nearby. He does not rush. He lets Elephant try again. Elephant tries once more, but it is still messy and loud. The water splashes everywhere again. Elephant stops and looks at the water. Then he slows down. He takes a gentle breath. He leans forward carefully. This time he blows softly, very softly. Small bubbles begin to appear. They are light and calm. The bubbles move slowly in the water. They rise gently to the surface. Some of them float into the air. They shine in the warm sunlight. Everything feels quiet again. Elephant watches the bubbles with wide, calm eyes. He smiles. Elephant feels happy and proud. Dr. Wolf smiles softly. He knows his friend has learned something new. The forest is peaceful again. Dr. Wolf turns and continues his walk through the forest. Dr. Wolf walks through the forest. Nearby, Little Monkey finds a very big fruit. The fruit is round and heavy. It is much bigger than Monkey. Monkey looks at it with curious eyes. She tries to lift the fruit, but it is too heavy. She tries again and again. The fruit does not move. Monkey pushes it with her hands. Suddenly, the fruit starts to roll. It rolls slowly at first, then faster. Monkey opens her eyes wide. She runs after the fruit. She runs as fast as she can. The fruit keeps rolling across the grass. Monkey follows it closely. Finally, the fruit slows down, and then it stops. Monkey walks up to it. She tries to break it open. She pushes it, she pulls it, she taps it with her hands. Nothing happens. Monkey climbs on top of the fruit. She jumps lightly, then a little stronger, but the fruit stays whole. Monkey slides down and tries from below. She pushes again, but nothing works. Monkey stops and takes a breath. She looks a little tired. Dr. Wolf comes closer. He watches quietly. He understands the problem. Dr. Wolf gently helps Monkey. Together, they push the fruit. Slowly, it moves. They try again. A small crack appears, then another one. The fruit begins to open. Inside, it is juicy and bright. Monkey's eyes light up. She smiles happily. She takes a small piece. It is sweet and soft. Monkey feels happy. She looks at Dr. Wolf with thankful eyes. Dr. Wolf smiles softly. He is glad to help. Monkey stays with her fruit. Dr. Wolf turns and continues his walk through the forest. Dr. Wolf walks along the forest path. Nearby, little Parrot finds colorful balloons. They move softly in the air. The strings hang down close to the ground. Parrot looks at them with curious eyes. He steps closer. The balloons float up and down gently. Parrot reaches for the strings. He grabs them with his beak. Suddenly, the balloons lift him up. Slowly, he rises above the ground, higher and higher. Parrot's eyes grow wide. He flaps his wings quickly, but he cannot go down. The wind moves him softly in the sky. Parrot looks down at the ground below. He feels a little scared. Dr. Wolf looks up and sees him. He stops and watches carefully. He understands what is happening. Dr. Wolf looks around and finds a long stick. He picks it up. He stands under the balloons. Slowly, he lifts the stick up. He reaches toward the strings. The stick moves closer and closer. The strings touch the stick. They catch on it. Very slowly, the balloons begin to come down. Parrot moves lower and lower. The ground gets closer. His feet reach the grass. He stands safely again. The balloons float above him. Parrot feels calm now. He looks at Dr. Wolf. His eyes are soft and thankful. Dr. Wolf smiles gently. The forest feels peaceful again. Parrot stays with the balloons. Dr. Wolf goes inside to rest. The day is over.